Article 156, delivery of the prisoner from the jail. The penalty of arresto mayor and a maximum period to the prison correctional, it's a minimum period from shall be imposed upon person who shall remove from any jail or penal establishment. Any person confined therein shall help escape of such person by means of violence, intimidation, or bravery, and other means are used. The penalty of arresto mayor shall be imposed if the escape of the prisoner shall take place outside or said establishment by taking the guard by surprise. The same penalty shall be imposed in their minimum period. Delivery of persons from jail, it's committed by any person who shall remove from any jail or penalty establishment any person confined therein or shall help escape of such person in means violence, intimidation, or bravery. The offense under their article is usually committed by outsider who removing from jail any person therein confined or help him. Requisites, the offense may be committed in two ways. First, by removing a person confined in any jail or penal establishment, and second, by helping such a person to escape. So, to help in the escape of a person confined in any jail, penal institution means furnish that person that with the material means such a file, ladder, rope, etc., which greatly facilitate in his escape. So, delivering prisoner from the jail. The offense under this article is usually committed by outsider who removed from jail any person therein confined or helps him escape. Infidelity in the custody of the prisoner, if the offender is public officer who has custody of charge or be prisoner, he is liable for infidelity in the custody of prisoner defined as the penalized under Article 223 of the Revised Penal Code.